morning children. Today we are going to see about Introduction to Windows 7. Introduction. As we need energy to work, a car needs fuel to run. Similarly, computer needs an operating system to make it work. Operating system is nothing but a program which enables the computers to accept commands from the user to perform necessary actions. An operating system is thus defined as a collection of programs which control the overall activities of the computers, such as input, process, memory and storing of data. Thus it acts as an interface between the user and the computer. Some of the operating systems are MS-DOS, Windows, Unix and Linux. Windows 7. Windows 7 is a computer operating system developed by Microsoft Corporation. It has a graphical user interface that allows the user to interact with the items on the screen. Features of Windows 7. Some of the common features of Windows 7 are speed, touch, desktop gadgets, arrow shake, arrow snap. Speed. The time taken for booting the system is reduced when compared to other older versions. Touch. Touch is the new feature added to Windows 7. It is a new way of interacting with the computer. This feature works only on those screens which are touch enabled. Desktop gadgets. Gadgets such as weather, clock, calendar, CPU, meter, etc. Arrow shake. When many applications are open to minimize them in one shot, arrow shake can be used. Arrow snap. Arrow snap is used to resize and expand application windows quickly. Files. A file is a collection of information. It consists of text, pictures, numbers, sounds or combination of all. A file is identified by its name. For example, sample.docx. The file name has three parts: file name, a dot and the extension. File name is the name given to a file. Here the extension docx indicates that it is a document created using MS Word application. Some of the file extensions are listed below. Extension meaning .txt, extension of notepad application file, .pmp, extension of paint application file, .jpg, extension of picture files, .zip, extension of animated picture files, .wav, extension of sound files. Folders. When different files are grouped under one name, then it is called a folder. A folder consists of files and subfolders. Drive. Drives. The hard disk in the computer can be divided into 2, 3 or more partitions, and each partition is called a drive. A drive is a storage area in the hard disk where files, folders or application program are stored. Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is a program which manages the contents of the hard disk. It helps us to explore the files, folders and drives. To open Windows Explorer, click on Start button and type Windows Explorer. Start all program accessories Windows Explorer. The left part of Windows Explorer displays drives, folders and other hardware details, and the right part displays files, subfolders and the content of the selected item on the left part. File management. Some of the basic operations that can be performed on files and folders are create, copy, move and rename. We shall now discuss how to perform this operation in Windows Explorer. Creation of a folder. Creation of a folder. To create a folder, open the drive in which you want to create a new folder. Creation of new folder can be done in two different ways. First one, click on the new folder button which is present in the menu bar. Right click and then select new. A submenu will appear.